Right, what's going on today?
Okay, the exhaust pipes are on and all clamped up, and I got about half of the rad combed,
Okay.
but it's so damn uncomfortable you can only sit there for about an hour at a time, and then you got to climb out. And I got
You worked on that cage there before.
that's on now, behind the seat, that part of the cage.
Okay.
And if you stand up here, you can get a picture from the top. That's this is all on now and fastened down. You can see the gauges and stuff.
Okay. They all work?
Yeah, you go to the front and go down there a little ways. I'll put the lights on. Go down that way a bit rough, halfway between here and the door.
Whoa. I don't want to stare at that too long.
Hey,
Said I don't want to stare at that too long. That's very bright.
this one here is burnt out, and red is one side and green's the other. So I colored them so you can,
Okay.
you know, that eliminates this, eh?
Well, what's going on here now? Is that the battery?
Battery. Yep. Batteries are dead.
Okay, so you got to charge up the batteries.
Yep.
Okay. So the most effort you put in today was with the combing the rad, or?
No, I got those lights all tied down and this screen on. The lights cleaned.
So what's left to do here? You got to charge the batteries, obviously. Put the
Charge the batteries and finish combing
the rad.
the rad, and then I'm waiting for the axle, and this one's ready.
Right. You're going to clean the front of that rad as well?
Yeah, once again, combed.
Okay.
It was so plugged I couldn't blow the air through it.
Yeah.
So
this is Dad's latest project. Spring is sprung and it is beautiful outside. Double-digit positive temperatures here.
yep, battery's very flat.
Okay.
Boy, I got it off right now. Switch it.
Okay.
Oh,
Working good now?
yeah. It doesn't seem to take much battery to run that trim tab.
Okay.
Okay. So much for that.
Okay, play.